Here at Hirepool, we understand the importance of getting the best out of your hire. Typically, an excavator hire will be for multiple days, a week or even longer, which means regular safety and operational checks are required by the hirer. Today, we're going to go through a few tips to help achieve the best performance from an excavator. It's important to note that we at Hirepool are not the experts in excavator usage and regulations. However, we have followed the safety regulations provided to us by the manufacturer's specific manuals. Before operating an excavator, we recommend you take the time to read the instructions for use sheet found with your contract or by scanning the QR code located on the green tag of your machine. Also, double check you have all the correct safety gear. Covered clothing, steel cap boots along with gloves, hearing and eye protection are required, as well as high vis, which can be purchased from Hirepool. Although the excavator will leave the Hirepool branch fully serviced, it's important that after each use or prior to commencing work, the excavator is fully functional. A pre-operational check should be done before each day of work. The first step is to do a walk around of the excavator, looking out for any leaks or loose covers. The second step is to do a basic engine check by opening the engine compartment and checking the dipstick and coolant levels. The third step is to get into the cab and start the excavator for a warm-up and check the dashboard for any fault lights. The fourth step is to test all controls and make sure they are functioning correctly while keeping an eye on your surroundings. The fifth step is to check the greasing points of the machine. Each excavator at Hirepool will come with a sticker that displays a greasing schedule. This will tell you where each grease point is located on the machine. Each machine is fitted with a grease gun, which may typically be found in the cab or in the back cabinet of the machine. Grease points on the machine need to be appropriately lubricated, generally every 8 hours of use. To grease the points on the machine, keep a rag handy to clear excess or existing grease and start at the bucket. Pump the grease into the grease point until you start to see a small amount flowing around the hole. Take the grease gun and move about the machine, clearing and filling as you go. If you run out of grease, please contact your local Hirepool branch and they will supply you with additional grease. After a day's work in an excavator, it is important to also do a post-operational check on the machine to ensure things are still in place and safe. The first step is to ensure the bucket, blade and any attachments are down. The second step is to do a walk-around check, looking for leaks, loose covers or any possible damage. If any faults are found, please contact your local branch or rep to get the fault repaired. In summary, here are the key points to remember about pre- and post-operational checks on an excavator. Before using your Hirepool excavator, ensure you have read and understood the instructions for use sheet. Check you've got the right safety gear, and during the pre-operational check, follow Hirepool's simple 5-step process, which includes a walk around of the excavator, checking the dipstick and coolant levels, all functions are working correctly, and the greasing points of the machine. Excavators must be lubricated every 8 hours, following the greasing schedule sticker on the machine. During the post-operational check, follow Hirepool's simple 2-step process. Ensure the bucket, blade and any attachments are down and do a walk around check, looking for leaks, loose covers or any possible damage. Well, there you have it. That's how to perform pre- and post safety and operational checks on an excavator. If you'd like more information, our friendly Hirepool staff will be happy to answer any of your questions. Hirepool, the smarter hire.